Here's this little Troybilt. I think it's like a pony or some kind of smaller model than the horse. It's a small one, cultivating one. It had this Tecumseh engine on there. Its original engine. This is sitting in a shed for a long time. Took this cover off because there was a mouse nest in there. Cleaned that out. Cleaned the carburetor out, took it all apart. It's pretty gunged up. Changed oil, gas, wouldn't start. I should have known better. Mice had chewed through this wire, which I put tape around. Through the spark plug wire. My friend had this Briggs pressure washer, and the pressure had failed on it, so he gave me this engine here. This one was better. Changed oil, put gas in it, started right up. So I mounted it on here, and the only thing I had to do, I'd take the engine off again because this pulley wasn't lined up with the ones below it, and this shim here, I cut it down a little bit. Had to cut like 1/8 of an inch off of it so that it lined up straight because it was throwing the belt. Anyway, it's got a cover goes over here. You just push this in, it engages it forward. Originally it had reverse. You can see here. You pull it out and it will go to reverse, but it doesn't have reverse because this engine, this old Tecumseh engine, had like a special pulley on it. See, it had this thing, was the reverse stuff, and you put it the other way. So don't need reverse anyway. It's pretty light, could pull it. And this one that was in here, this bolt wasn't the same as that one, but I actually had one that would fit it. So all's well that ends well. Goodbye, old Tecumseh. These used to be pretty good engines. If I spent more time on it, maybe I'd get it working, but who wants to spend more time? But these would break this carburetor off real easy if you bump something because it sticks way out at the side. But this one had this guard on it, so keep that. So I had this guard like this, which was a good idea. Maybe after how many broke off, they put a guard on there. But not the problem. That Briggs engine started right up. I'm very happy with it. Choke it. Turn this on. Better unchoke it. Runs good. Push this in. Move this pin over to here, put it in a different slot, and that'll make it drive. Right now it's in freewheel, just spins. But if you put that in on the shaft, it'll drive then. So it works. I'm looking forward to using it. I need it to get in the rows of my garden, in between the short rows. This is so much easier to maneuver than that big giant horse I have, which will grind up any ground, but this one's just for cultivating. So happy to give it a try tomorrow. Spent a few hours on this today. Here's my horse, Troybilt horse, which is a real workhorse. This one, I put a Harbor Freight engine on it, and these are great engines. They only cost, well, at the time I think I paid $89 for this, but they're probably $150 nowadays. This engine's been on here for, I think, 15 years or maybe more. It starts every time. It's a great engine. So don't think that those cheap Chinese engines aren't good. Anyway, this one works good, but this is the one, still heavy duty work, but it's heavy to turn around too.